This tutorial requires the FlyAsFast system to perform the system OTA update. Enter the printer's IP address followed by 9998 in the browser. Click to start the remote OTA upgrade. Wait for the progress bar to finish. Klipper is going to restart on its own after the update. After that, just go back to our dock site to update the MCU firmware. Usually, you'll just use the USB firmware, but if you've got a CAN toolboard, you'll need to grab the CAN bridge firmware below, and don't forget to update the toolboard too. Next, you will need the host computer's IP address to connect the software and perform the update. All you need to do is copy the command from the docs into the software, and the update will start on its own. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your laptop to the C8Pro motherboard. Open browser and enter either of it to access the page. Either one will get you there. This update brings a direct Ethernet connection feature, which makes it super easy to troubleshoot multiple devices at the same time. You no longer have to go through the hassle of connecting them to the network one by one, saving you a ton of time. Also comes with power loss recovery to 0.0. You won't have to worry about losing your G code anymore. It seamlessly picks up right where it left off, so no more ruined prints from unexpected power cuts.